A startling development today in the Ryan Widmer murder trial, but it didn't come from courtroom testimony. It was revealed in a motion filed. There's apparently now a second mystery Jane Doe. 9 News reporter Valerie Miller is live in Lebanon with details. Valerie?
Well, Tanya, the information is included in this motion filed by the prosecution today, which opposes the defense plans to dig into the background of the first Jane Doe witness, who we now know as Jennifer Crew. In a small footnote on the first page, the prosecution mentions another Jane Doe and says it's a woman who moved here to the area locally after becoming involved with Ryan Widmer after the Dateline episode aired about the case. Now, at this point, this new Jane Doe has not been subpoenaed yet. Dr. William Rogers is testifying in court today. He is considered an expert in emergency medicine, and he works for McCullough Hyde Hospital in Oxford. He is a paid expert for the prosecution, and he reviewed the medical records provided to him about Sarah Widmer's autopsy records and her medical history. He testified that Sarah's injuries did not come from any life-saving techniques.
Have you seen similar injuries in your emergency medicine practice?
Yes, sir.
Do you have an opinion as to what they are consistent with? What mechanism would produce those?
Yes, sir.
What is that opinion?
This is a compressive force leaving a pattern injury to the soft tissues, which creates a bruise.
The defense began its cross-examination and listed numerous medical conditions that could cause arrhythmia or a heart problem and then drowning, and that condition would not show up in an autopsy. The doctor said it was not likely, but possible. All the defense has to do is present reasonable doubt for the jury. So this new development with this Jane Doe number 2, she is not yet a witness. The state has not subpoenaed for her, but it reserves the right to. So we're going to continue to follow this, and at this point, the defense and the prosecution continues to battle back and forth, not only in the courtroom, but also through documents as well. Tanya?
All right, Valerie Miller live in Lebanon. Always interesting.